Changing your Yahoo Mail password regularly helps you keep your account secure and protects your personal information. Yahoo makes it easy to update your password on a PC or mobile device, ensuring that only you can access your emails. So in order to do this, go ahead, open your web browser, go to yahoo.com or mail.yahoo.com. You'll be landed to your inbox page. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on account info. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on security. That is between personal info and privacy control in the top of the screen. Now go ahead, scroll down, and in the section of ways of signing in, tap on password. That is just below additional emails. Now in this box, you get to choose and enter a new password that you'd like to set for your account. After that, tap on continue, which is highlighted in purple color, to save your changes. And that's it. Make sure that you use a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using the same password on other accounts. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.